Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to say a big thank you for coming to this page and just checking out what we are actually offering in a very unique type coaching style mastermind where we cover on a whole bunch of topics in terms of getting your affiliate business or online business off the ground and really starting to generate some serious results. Now, I'm currently inside the members area here, which is part of our mastermind community. This is where basically all the magic happens, and this allows you to have the actual support, the full intensive support of what we to trying to do. Our goal is to help you get to literally, from zero to $1,000 a day over time. Now, we really would love to you guys obviously get those results straight away, but at the same time, what we do is we teach the foundational and the fundamental structure of being able to build your business and do it right from the get-go. So later on, you've got that foundation, and if something happens, then you've got that basis there in order to continually generate a steady stream of commissions and income coming into your business. So this is all our membership. Now we've got some serious results happening here as well, guys. We ran a beta test on 40 students that came through the Breakout Affiliate Mastery Program, and they've been really killing some results, and we're just getting new members every day, and we're really excited about these results coming through. So as you can see here, like Rod's getting his his commissions, and he's got like $11 here, and he's at $6 yesterday. Starting to generate some commissions here. Now I'm just going to duck over to this page here and show you some testimonials from this group. It used to be called the Breakout Code 6-Week Bootcamp, but we renamed it the Breakout Affiliate Mastery because it really does focus on the core fundamentals, and we like to keep the environment inside as a mastermind. So obviously Dylan's just crushing it. He's had his first $100 day, so he's on track to at least four-figure months for sure. Like the guys is crushing it. And then we're going down to Yarn over here, guys. Like, look at this, $602.78 in one day. So he literally put the process to work, and he did $602 in one day. And then obviously we've got some 8 sales and 1 upgrade. He's starting to get sales there. These guys have never generated commissions before, guys, and they've jumped in on this program, and they're just taking complete action. Second run here from Rhonda, she's done over 300 odd plus clicks here, a really good opt-in rate. We give you guys the funnels, we give you the emails to start setting up, we show you how to do it properly, we give you the Facebook group to ask as many questions as you want. There are no dumb questions in the group. It's basically for you guys to take action. You have to take action. This program is not for the faint-hearted, but it works. So as you can see, 3 front-end sales and 2 upgrades just on one run. And you know what? That's just off one campaign. And Rhonda can literally, she's captured those leads, and she can start generating more commissions down the line on other products. And as you can see here, she's got more sales here. 1 FE sale and 3 upgrades. Like, it's unreal results. And then even Kent here, he's got 3 more sales, 2 front end sales, and 1 upgrade. So, and then obviously we're starting to get results here too, guys. People generating like even a $371 commission, $184 commission there, 181.79 commission there. So there's some serious results happening within this group. Now, with the Facebook group, guys, it's where you come and we do the live training. Mark and I get on there together, and we're on there weekly. We do the weekly calls with you. We ask the questions. As you can see here, this call here specifically went for 1 hour and 40 minutes. There's also, because we want to make sure that until there's no questions answered, that's when we don't get off until that point. So, and then we've got even more. We've got everything in guides too, guys. So we've got everything literally structured in a way that's easy for you. Like even Fitzroy here, first $100 day, and he's really, and he's still got a campaign running, $120, and a lot of people don't even experience that, and this guy's literally done it by joining in our beta program. Dylan's making, like, look at this, $153 commission from a product will smash my campaigns. Like, this is the upgrades. So let me click on this. Look at this, 153, $33.60 there, $11.49. Like, he's just crushing it. So he's literally generated that's $210 within the space of 6 hours. So, you know, most people don't even earn that within 3 days of working. Like, it's unreal. So I'm just showing you guys the possibilities of what can actually happen. Like, success does leave clues. So, and then, like, you know, just look, even Johnny Rose is starting to get going here. So he's got questions like problematic troubleshooting. Like, if you're having issues setting stuff up, just post it in the group, guys, and we'll get it answered. Like, look at the responses. You know, 6 responses, and we're even getting other people in here. So, look, another call here. We did week 1, which is like our second run of the boot camp. 1 hour and 52-minute call. Just basically getting your answered questions. 39 comments. So even, like, you know, we've got questions here. Like, you know, we answer them in the group. We also teach you the right way to do it. How to build your list with clean emails, clean subscribers that really target, you know, that people that want to buy. So we actually have the funnel to do that. The funnel to trigger those psychological responses that people really narrow in on in terms of that trigger, that buyer behavior, so you guys can start generating commissions, you know, results. Like, even, you know, he's killing it. Like, you know, like, he's generated over, you know, $2,000 in sales, like 144 sales right there, you know. And then even here, like, I jump in on the group every now and then. I'm jumping in there again today. We're releasing our affiliate program. So on top of that, guys, if you join today, you're going to generate commissions. We give you 100% commissions across the funnel on all of our products. And on top of that, we give you on 50% commissions on this bootcamp, where you can earn $300 per customer. So that's $300 in the bag for you, and that's for you. And this, you know, that's the beauty of it. We give you the ability and the mechanisms to generate your investment back. So even here, license rights for all offers. So we go through, we teach it, you get 100% across the funnels. We teach you how to be profitable, use the mindset, and we're getting there, guys. This program is not for the faint-hearted. You got to do the work. All right, we will guide you. Mark and I will drag you kicking and screaming to success. We will literally support you all the way, as long as you do the work. If you buy it and try and get a refund, don't bother joining. Like, if you buy it and with already the mindset of possibly needing a refund, don't bother joining. Because we are dead serious about, you know, people coming in here. This is a community where we want winners. We want people to be able to really narrow in and just start crushing their business. You know, we get rid of the shiny object syndrome. You know, people that have to feel like you're buying all the time to get the answers that you want, the solution that you need. You know, that a lot of these products that you see out there don't work. This is a program that's going to allow you to get real results real time. And I'm not bullshitting you. This is a program that really will get it going for you guys. So, you know, even he's cracked 100 sales right there. So, you know, there's just so many testimonials going on here, guys. Unreal. Like, people are getting like 80% opt-in rates on emails. It's unheard of. You know, so there's just so much going in here. And then inside, you get access to a coaching area, which is here. We go through week 1. We lay it out in weeks for a reason. We drip feed that content to you because people can get overwhelmed. And, you know, and if you need it to be unlocked, if you're trying to crush it through that, we'll unlock it for you. You know, there's no restrictions on it, but we do drip feed the content because the content can be overwhelming. This is how we get you going, guys. We do complete, you know, whole bunch of, you know, trainings that really get you going, like the importance of quality traffic, tracking, you know, being able to track your campaigns. Like even on week 3 here, guys, if I can get that over, I'll move my mug over there. Like week 3, you know, we start split testing. We go through opt-in pages. We start creating the efficiencies within your accounts. We go into week 4. We talk about money management. We talk about long-term strategy. You know, how to deal with the setbacks. How, you know, and we just basically set these foundations for you to allow you to generate a winning mindset to start really crushing it. So guys, what you need to do, just click this link below. If you need to have a chat with Mark and myself, jump over here. You can just click on this button. You can grab this for a one-time $6.97. We're literally giving this 55% off during this period only. There is a limited time to do this, and you get 55% off today only, and you'll be able to get in and get started. If you've got any questions, you're more than welcome to join Mark or myself. We can have a chat with you. If you've got any questions, by all means, jump in. We can do that. We're looking forward to you guys jumping on. We thank you so much for your time. But guys, this is not for the faint-hearted. All right? Do not join anticipating. If you're going to refund it, don't bother. Like, you got to come in here with a serious attitude and to get serious results. If you're sick and tired of the bullshit out there, jump in here and we'll literally drag you kicking and screaming to awesome results. Like, the testimonials don't lie. Like, the first online sales ever happened while sleeping. Like, that's the freedom of it all. Warrior plus that countless numbers of times to check what was going on. Like, he was just stunned by it. So 3 breakout code units, and he's like, his campaign wasn't even finished yet, guys. So he probably made more than $600. Probably went on to make $700, $800. So even Dylan, Dylan's getting the results here. Paddy never joined before. Like, he did 4 sales on a product we launched called Simplicity. Like, it's also creating the ability to evolve. You don't have to promote the one product all the time. We give you, we literally give you like 8 to 9 offers to promote. And then that's on top of, being able to re-promote, the Breakout Affiliate Mastery program as well. So we literally do give you all the mechanisms to get you started. So guys, if you're looking to get serious about it, jump in. Mark and I are no bullshit people. Like, we literally, if we see you whinging a bit about it, then you just gotta buck up. It's how we operate. Success leaves clues. It's your responsibility. We can literally give you 90% of everything to get started. You just got to put that 10% in with the work, and you're good to go. So this is probably a little bit more different than what other people do in terms of promoting their coaching programs. But if you're looking for real results, you're looking for real coaches that actually do care about you being able to get results, this is the program to be. So guys, jump in, take action. We look forward to seeing you. We want you to crush it, and we really look forward to you guys jumping into the Breakout Affiliate Mastery program. And for a one-time, just click this button, and it'll take you straight to checkout, and you'll be able to start generating results literally within the first week. This is what people have been doing. They plug it in, and they're getting results within the first week, guys. Like yarn, first week, $600. Like, no, it's a no-brainer. So, guys, thanks very much. I look forward to seeing you inside the Breakout Affiliate Mastery. Have a good one. Go crush it, and we'll see you inside. Cheers.